Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to create your voiceover using a free software called Audacity. You may have another software you use, and that's fine. I just wanted to give you the option of using this free software. Very easy to use, and it will get the job done. So I'm going to assume that you followed the instruction on the site that says to download Audacity, whether for Mac or PC, and now we're opening up the application, and this is what we see. It's very simple to use. All you have to do is go up to this little red dot here and press on it. So I'm going to go through the motions to show you how it works. So I'm going to make a mistake here in the front, and now I'm going to start. Hi, I'm here today to tell you about my video. I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a really great day. Blah, 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 blah. We hit stop right here. This yellow square is our stop. So now let's take a listen. So I'm going to make a mistake here in the front, and now I'm going to start. Hi, I'm here today to tell you about my video. I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a really great day. Blah, 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 blah. We hit. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to get rid of that part that I made the mistake on, right? So right here, this is all I can see. That's where I made the mistake. This is where I start. So I'm going to go up to this little scissor, and I'm going to click right here. And then I'm going to take this area, and highlight it and hit that big fat delete button. My favorite thing to do. Now down on this end, let's listen to it one more time. Hi, I'm here today to tell you about my video. I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a really great day. So I can see where it ends. You always have to hit that stop button. I forget that a lot. Now we're going to go here to where it ended. We are going to highlight it. And we're going to hit the delete button. And there's your video. I would recommend doing, your audio. I would recommend doing your audio, your voiceovers in sections, different sections where the story changes within your video. It's sometimes difficult to do the whole thing at once without making mistakes, but as you can see, you could fix those mistakes. I would recommend doing them in the same day if possible, since your video's only going to be about 3 minutes. It shouldn't be too difficult. Because your voice changes from day to day, or the atmosphere in the room might change, you may have a window open and the sound will come out differently. That can all be fixed, but it's just easier to start with it in a good place. So now I'm going to show you how to export this so that you can use it in your project. We go up here to File, you go down to Export Audio, we give it a name. I'm going to name it Test. Test. I like to put everything on my desktop. That's just a personal preference. If you have a folder you want to put it in, I would recommend keeping everything in one folder. I am going to use the file type AIFF because I'm working on a Mac. I'm working on an Apple computer. If you're working on a Microsoft or a PC, you want to use a WAV. You could use an MP3 if you have that extension in your computer, but I'm going to use an AIFF file working with my Mac. And I hit save. And it's going to say it's mixing down my tracks. Hit OK. If I want to add in my name, the track number, if you're going to be doing a lot of these, it might be a good idea to do that. Or you title them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hit enter, and it's already done. See, it came up right here on my desktop, and I can play it. Hi, I'm here today to tell you about my video. There you go. There's your sound. You can collect all your different sounds and leave them in a folder until you are ready to put your project together, and then you upload them into your video editing system. It's that easy.